Hello everyone. Most students miss this simple circle theorem trick. Look carefully at the diagram and try to find angle QSR before I do. In the diagram, PR is a diameter of the circle PQRS. PST and QRT are straight lines. Find angle QSR. Angle QSR. Solution: in the question, it is given to us that our line PR is a diameter. Since our line PR is a diameter, angle PSR is an angle in a semicircle. An angle in a semicircle is always equal to 90 degrees. So we can say angle PXR is equal to 90 degrees. Angle PSR equal to 90 degrees. Next, let us find angle RST. The sum of angle PXR and angle RST is equal to 180 degrees because sum of angle on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So angle PXR plus angle RST equal to 180 degrees. Our angle PSR is 90 degrees. Let us substitute it into this equation. 90 degrees plus angle RST equal to 180 degrees. Let us transpose 90 degrees to the right hand side and the positive sign will change to negative. So angle RST equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees. Angle RST equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees will give us 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Our angle XRQ is equal to the sum of angle RXT and STR by exterior angle of a triangle theorem, which says exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior remote angles. So angle SRQ equal to angle RXT plus angle STR. Angle XRQ equal to angle RST is 90 degrees. 90 degrees plus angle STR. STR is 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Angle SRQ equal to 90 degrees plus 30 degrees will give us 120 degrees. 120 degrees. Angle SQR and angle RPS are equal because both angles are on the same segment. An angle on the same segment are equal to each other. So angle SQR is equal to angle RPS. Angle SQR is equal to 35 degree because our angle RPS is equal to 35 degree. Let us consider triangle QXR. Angle QXR plus angle XRQ plus angle XQR are equal to 180 degree because sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Angle QXR plus angle XRQ plus angle SQR equal to 180 degree. Angle XRQ is 120 degree. Angle XQR is 35 degree. So let us substitute them into this equation. Angle QSR plus 120 degree plus 35 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle QXR plus 120 degree plus 35 degree will give us 155 degree. 155 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle QXR is equal to, if we transpose 155 degree to the right hand side, the positive will become negative. So we have 180 degree minus 155 degree. Angle QXR is equal to 180 degree minus 155 degree is going to give us 25 degree. Angle in a semicircle, same segment and exterior angle rule. Connect them correctly and answer drops out. Follow Teacher B for more circle theorem wins. Thank you.